Okay, so I realize my audio is not the clearest, so sorry about that. But right now I am going to show you, I believe I've already shown the 4x4 and the 6x6 no op, meaning no operation puzzle. And so now I'm going to do a 9x9 no operation puzzle, the hard one. And this might take me, I mean, these can take anywhere from 10 minutes to 30 minutes or more. I will try and move through it quick, but also explain how I'm doing it. If you're watching the no operation puzzle in this, you are familiar with the rules of KenKen, and you should be familiar with the rules of a no operation KenKen. So I will kind of explain it as if under that assumption. Okay, so let's have a look in here as I'm going. First immediate things is we fill in the boxes that they give us. It's saying 1, 1, that's auto. Other things that I'm looking for are larger numbers that can't be added to, subtracted to, whatever, so it's definitely multiplication. So this one would be 3 and 9, this one would be 3 and 7, this one would be 4 and 9. What do we have? What else do we have? So it's 5, 8, 7. This is going to have a 7 in it because it's multiplication, so it'll be 1, 6, 7, or 2, 3, 1, 7, or 1, 1, 6, 7. Let's see, 88. So we've got 8 goes into 88. Sorry, just playing. 8 goes into 88 36 times. So it would be 489. If that's 489, let's see. That'd be 489. This is 147, so it would be 17, or it could be 227. So I haven't learned anything. See, these are the ones where you should be putting the notes in. I'm trying to go without, but I should start putting them. All right, so we know this is 5,9, and this is 5, 6, so this can't be the 5. That's the 6, this is the 5. I think we might have something here. 6 goes into this 56 times. 6, 7, 8, it's 5, 9. Oh, there's a 2. Sometimes you're just blind to things. 2, 3, 7. 9s are not multiplication or division, so it's addition. So it won't be a 2, 7, 2, 7 because 2 is 7. It won't be a 3, 6. It's either a 4, 5 or a 1, 8. It doesn't really help me. Oh, but we do know this is 5 because this is 5. Okay, so then we've got 5, 9, and we've also got 7, 8. 7's going to be here. 7, 8, 5, 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then in here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing's told yet. Okay. So another thing when you're solving these no ops is a lot of times you'll see this 8, and generally your brain auto thinks like 8 subtraction 1, so it's 9 minus. So then I could do, if it's 9 minus 1, then you'd put the 9 here and 1 here. But being a no op, it could be addition, so it could be 3, 5, 2, 6, 1, 7, or it could be multiplication, 2 times 4. Although I've never seen in a KenKen puzzle 2 times 4 or 1 times 8. They don't do at least 1 times. But it's weird they don't do it 2 times 4 either. They just don't seem to do that one. Let's see what else I can find in this no op without notes. Okay, well this is 3, 9, and then this is 1, 3, 9. Because it can't be 3, 3, 3. So I should have seen that earlier. So we have 3, 9, 3, 9. Now we know 3 and 9 are not included. So then let's look back at this one. Number that goes into that, 4 goes into 32. That's 4, 4, 8. But it could be 8, 8, 2. So that's annoying. Wait, but then this one, so this being 8, 8, 2 wouldn't allow an 8 here, but then this one was 5. 7, 8. So this can't be 8, 8, 2. So it is 4, 4, 8. Which then gives us this one being 8, this one being 7. Does that give us any others? No. But let's see. This also, let's see. I was going to say it tells us that it's not the 4 divided by, but it doesn't tell us that. It could still be 1 plus 3 or 1 minus. No, it can't be 1 minus 5, 2 minus 6. Can't be 3 minus 7 because of that. Can't be 4 minus 8. Can't be 5 minus 9. Okay. So it's not a subtraction. 100% not a subtraction here. Could be 1 plus 3. Or it could be 2 divided by 8. Oh, it can't be 1 plus 3. So it's 2 divided by 8. Look at that. Got a little lucky there just by trying to brute force it. Still 3, 7. Oh, well, we have 3, 9 and 3, 9 here. Oh, did I say this can't be 7 and then I messed it up there? I did. This could be 3 minus 7 too. That's annoying. So I would have just over. Oh, I messed that up. Get away. Okay. So what just happened there is I had eliminated 3 and 7, 3 minus 7 being an option. Oh, it was the 3. Okay, it is 2, 8. I'm embarrassed. Don't look at me. So then we have 3, 9, 3, 9. This is 3, 7. And since the 3 is now definitely occupied in these, this is the 7. This is the 3. Let's look into here. The 1 will always be a subtraction. Can't be a 3 because a 3 would need to be subtracting 2 or 4. Could be a 5 because there's 5, 6. And it is 5, 6. Okay, so we have 5 and 6. And then we have 3 and 9. Unfortunately, we knew that. Don't know which one. So let's see, we have 3, 9 here. And then that would mean that this is 2, 5. And this is 6, 7. 6, 7. This is 2, 5, 2, 5. So the reason I knew this is just because the 1 is a subtraction, 100%. So then if I only had 2, 5, 6, 7 remaining, well, it could be 5, 6, but then 2 and 7, there's no way to get to 3. So 6, 7 leaves 2 and 5, then the 5 eliminates that there. We still have 3, 9 here, still have 3, 9 here. Did I say this one was possibly a 9? Let's see, 6 goes into 56 times now, 6, 7, 8 there. 6, 7, 8, 5, 9, 3, 9, so there's no 9s. So if there's no 9s left in these rows, that this one means it can't be, well, it can't be 8, 9 because that's 6, 7, 8. So then no 9s either. 2, 3, 4, 5, unfortunately, still a possibility there. At least this one we know is not a multiplication, not 2, 5, because 2 times 5 is 10, but that 5's there. So this one is an addition problem. And it's not 1, 9 because the 1s and the 9s are used up. 2, 8 could be 2, 8. 3, 7 can't be because this one needs the 7. Oh, we know where the 7 is because it can't be there, and it can't be here because of that 7. So there's 7 here. Okay, so still not 3, 7. 4, 6. Oh, 4, 6. Possibility. Let's see. Let's go back to this. If this is multiplication, there's 2 times 6 and 3 times 4. Not 2 times 6 because it's used. 3 times 4 is a possibility, which would leave us with 1, 7, and 9. So it would be a 7 here. This is going to be addition, so it wouldn't be 9, so it would be 1, 7, making 8. So this would have to be 5, that would be 9, and that would be 6. That's a possibility. Now, if this is addition, can't be 6 plus 6, obviously. 5 plus 7, no. 4 plus 8, no. 3 plus 9, it can be. So if this is 3 plus 9, then we have 1, 4, and 7 left. Again, no 7 here, so 7 has to be here. 1 and 7's 8, plus 5 again, 13. This would be 4. and 1, also a possibility. That's unfortunate. This is going to be a dead end. 4, 7, 2, yeah, dead end. Okay. What else do we have? Where else can we go? I could start putting notes down. I just don't like doing that. Well, a 1's not here, actually. Okay, we got one. So, here's the solve that I've just done here. Again, we know a 1 is going to be a subtraction in no op, because a 1 is always... The only way to get to it is with subtraction, with the numbers 1 through 9. And if I put a 1 here, I would need a 2, because 2 minus 1 is 1, but the 2's here. So we know it's not there. We know it's not here because if you do a 1 here, there's no 2 digits, single digits that multiply to 288. So the 1 is here. And they don't do 1 times 9 either. They don't do 1 times. So then this is 1 plus 8. And we have 8 here, so we have a 1, and we have an 8. Numbers we have left are 4, 5, and 8 in this row. So the 8 in this one is here. 4, 5, let's see if we know. Maybe a 5 could be eliminated. 4, no. We don't know where the 4, 5 is. And then again, what did I say the 8 going to? This is 8 going to that's 36. So 4, 9 is left. And it doesn't give us something there. Let's see what we have left now. So, got the 1 here, we'll say. So now I know this is a 1 because it's 7 times 6. So it's either 1, 1, 6, which is impossible because this 1's here. And it has to be 1 times 2 times 3 to make 6 times 7. And the 1 can't be here, so this is the 1. So we got that. This one has to be 2, 3. We're not told exactly, explicitly, where it is. So don't have that. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. This is why I'm saying oh no. So 8 goes into 288. 30 times 8 is 240 to get to the next one. To get 48 more is 6 times 8. It has to be 36. 2 numbers, it has to be 49. That's 4, 4 and 9, and this is 4 and 9. I've done something wrong. Where have I gone wrong? Is this not the 8? 1, 8, 9, 4, 5. Why did I say this was not 8 and 9? Oh, because I said, yeah. I said the one does have to be here. Oh, that's not 1 and 9, that's 1 and 8. That's, oh my gosh, that's it. Okay. Sorry, that's the 9. Okay. Sometimes you just put a wrong number and it messes your brain up. I put a 1 and a 9. I meant to put a 1 and an 8. That made me have to put the 8 there, which made 4, 9, which isn't possible because of that. This is the 9, so this is 4 and 8. If this is the 4 and 9, then this can't be the 4, so it has to be the 8. This has to be the 4. Okay. So we have the 2, 3, we have the 5, 9, making this one the 4. So this is either 4 divided by 8, which can't be, so it's 4 divided by 2 or 4 minus 2. Luckily, it's just one of those. And it doesn't matter, it's the 2. Going back to this, it has to be addition, and it's not 1, 9, or 2, 8, or 3, 7, so it's 4, 6. So we have 4, 6, making this one 3 and 9. So you might be thinking 9 minus 3 is 6, but it's 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 and 9 don't have the specific spot for that. Don't have the specific spot for 2 and 3. Don't have the specific spot for 4 and 6 yet. Actually, I do, because this is 6, 7, 8, which means 6 can't be here. So this is the 4. This is the 6. So 6, 7, 8. And then we have 2, 3, 5, 9 in some order. Well, it's 2, 3 here. 5, 9. Okay, so if 2, 3 is here, and this is 3, 9, this is the 9. This is the 5, this is the 9, and this is the 3 left in this one, which means that's the 3, which means that's the 9 in that one. Still 2, 3, and we have 1 times 4 times 7, can't be the 2 times 2, we've learned now, because this 2. And the 4 can't be here, so this is a 1 or 7. The 1 can't be here. This is the 1, 4, 7, 4 is there, so this is the 7, 4. This is still 2, 3. Don't have that learned yet, but we have a 2, 3, and a 6. So 6 isn't here, but it's either here or here. If the 6 is here and it's subtraction, it's 4 or 8. It's not. If it's division, it's a 3, and that's possible. So didn't learn anything. Okay. Unfortunate. We look elsewhere. Onward. Let's look at this. Okay, so 4 won't be going into this because there's no 4, and 3 won't be going into it because of that. Let's see what number we can put into that. 2 times 56, 278. 2's there, okay, so that's 2, 7, 8, which leaves this row with a 5 and a 6 left. If this is the 5, that would be 6, and it can't work. So this is the 6, and it's a 5, 6, 5, and that's the 5, and that's an 8. Let's take the 9 again. This was 6, 7, 8, still have little things out there. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, this is 5, 6. Oh man, I could have filled that one out early. Still 2, 3, can't fill that one out. Okay, is this one an addition or is it multiplication? It's multiplication, it would be 1, 3, 6, which can't be, so then we get 2, 3, 3, which can't be. So this is addition. And let's see, if it's an 8, it can't be an 8 in this one. And it's not there, so the 8 is going to be here. And it can't be a 4 because this is 4 and 9 here. This is going to be not subtraction because it can't be a 4. So it's actually the division. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Which means if this is the 2, 3, that's the 2. This is the 3. 4, 9, 1. This can either be plus 7 to make 8 or minus 9 to make 8. And we don't know yet. So let's see what we got here. 3, 6, and 9. So it's addition. 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 9 is 18. And we don't know which one goes where. So we have also 4, 5. And since that 4 is there, we know this is the 5, that's the 4. Here, as we said, this is 7, 8. Done that one already. 7, 8. This is 6, 7, 8. The 8's eliminated there, and the 8's eliminated there. So 8 has to go here. 6, 7, still undetermined. 2, 3, now determined because that 2's up there, making that 3, making that 2. And then we have 3, 6 left here. So 3 minus 1 can't do. 3 plus 5 minus 3 is 2. Again, can't do because of that one. Can do 3, 6 divided by 3 to make 2. And then 6 is the other option. 6 divided by 3 can't do because this 3 is here. Can't do the subtraction. So this is 3 divided by 6. This is 6. Can't be minus 3 because of that. Can either be divided by 2. Can't actually because of that. So it's 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Leaving the last one. And this to be a 1. This is going to be addition. So now we have to add to 12 here. 6, 6, no. 5, 7, possible. 4, 8, no, because 2, 8's already used. And 3, 9. So it could be 3, 9, or it could be 5, 7. And this is 7 or 9. So now we know 7 and 9 can't be used in the rest of this row. So this is the 6. The reason we know that is because if this is a 5 or 7 to make 12, then this one would have to be the 9. So then a 7 is definitely used here, or 9's used here. But then this is, if this is the 3 or 9, then that 9 can't be used there, so there has to be the 7 here. Meaning, no matter what happens, a 7 and a 9 are used up here. So nowhere in this column, then a 7 can be used again, making this one not the 7, making it a 6. So that's the 6, that's the 7. Back to here. Still haven't used all these. I might be moving a little slow. My brain might be missing some things. I had some line. 7, 9 as well. Still haven't been determined. Let's see. This one could still be multiplication. It could be 7 times 1 times 2. or it can be 7 plus 7 plus 7. So 3, 4, no, 2, 5, yes. No, it can't be. So this is either 7 times 1 times 2, or let's see, 9 plus 2, 3 is an option. Lame. Lame. Right there. Something's missing. 1, 2, 3, 9. Oh, here we go. 3, 9. So the 9's not here. 9 is here. So this is the 5, 7. 5, 7. Making this one a 3 times 4. It's a multiplication now in this one. That's a 3, 4. This was a 4, 9. So 4 and 9. What did I say? What's left in? The 9 needs to be used here. Can't use that there. And then we had to add to 9, 3, 6. 6 is already used in that column, so that's the 3. That's the 6. This one needs 7. And then this one is actually multiplication to make it that. Congratulations. So talking it through might have slowed me down maybe a couple minutes, but as I said, these 9x9 no-ops can be on average 10 minutes to 30 minutes, so 20 minutes exactly kind of makes sense. Anyway, that's how you go about a no-op. I'm not even sure if I explained it well while I was going, but hopefully talking it through helped others understand those. And I am ending this now. Later.